Keep moving that rubble out. Is that center point marked?
Yeah, 42 feet, 6 inches.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Hold it there, secure the connection point.
All right, push it closer to the frame. Hold it steady on your end. Watch the corner. We need that next panel up on the lift.
Coming up, is the adhesive ready for the next marble section?
Hand me the wrench when you get up there.
Copy that. Does this look centered to you?
It's off by an inch according to the plans.
All right, secure that panel. Group B, confirm wiring connection. Wiring confirmed. Ready for the lighting test. Powering up.
A little higher on the left side.
Hold it there, I'll secure it.
Looks perfect now.
The polish on the marble is excellent. Chandelier is sparkling.
We are ready for inspection. Everything is complete.